Imagine this. You wake up like any other day. You hunt for food. You take care of your family. You have no idea that today, the entire future of humanity will be decided. Not by kings, not by armies, not by technology, but by one tiny asteroid. Had it arrived just a little differently, every human alive today, including you, would never have existed. This is the story of the luckiest day in human history. Chapter 1. A world before humans. 66 million years ago, Earth looked nothing like today. There were no cities, no roads, no people. Dinosaurs ruled the planet. Towering Tyrannosaurus rex hunted giant prey. Massive Triceratops roamed endless forests. Flying reptiles filled the skies. For over 160 million years, dinosaurs dominated Earth. If someone had visited the planet back then, they would never have predicted that tiny mammals hiding underground would someday inherit the Earth. Humans weren't just absent. Our ancestors were barely surviving. Small, furry, no larger than a rat, living in constant fear. Chapter 2. The Asteroid. Then, everything changed. A space rock about 10 kilometers wide raced toward Earth at nearly 20 kilometers every second. It struck near what is now Mexico. The explosion released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs. Shockwaves flattened forests. Earthquakes shook the planet. Towering tsunamis crossed entire oceans. Molten rock blasted into space, then rained back down across Earth like burning fire. Within hours, wildfires spread across continents. But the worst was still coming. Dust and smoke blocked sunlight. The planet became darker, colder, deadlier. Chapter 3. The long winter plants could no longer grow. Without plants, plant-eating dinosaurs starved. Without herbivores, the predators followed. Food chains collapsed. Month after month, year after year, Earth became quieter. Nearly 75% of all species disappeared. Every non-avian dinosaur vanished forever. For millions of years, they had ruled the planet. Then, in geological terms, they were gone almost overnight. It was one of Earth's greatest mass extinctions. Chapter 4. The Survivors. But beneath the ground, tiny mammals survived. They ate insects, seeds, roots, anything they could find. Their small size required less food. Burrows protected them from fire and extreme temperatures. When the skies finally cleared, the world had changed. The dinosaurs were gone. Entire forests stood empty. Predators had disappeared. For the first time in millions of years, the planet had room for something new. The age of mammals had begun. Chapter 5. A chain of impossible luck. Those tiny survivors evolved. Generation after generation. Some climbed trees, some returned to the oceans. Others grew larger. Eventually, but one branch developed larger brains. Flexible hands, curiosity, language, tools, fire, agriculture, cities, science. Every human being, every language, every civilization can trace its existence back to those tiny mammals that survived because an asteroid changed everything. Had that asteroid missed Earth, dinosaurs might still dominate the planet today, and humans may never have evolved at all.